We're here, Petrolheadonism has landed in Vegas for Sema 2022, and this is day one, the highlights, just a little snippet of what's going on here out in Vegas. Back once again with EBC brakes. Boom, it's Sema 2022. The best Tesla in the world right here, check it out. Oh, this is what we're talking about. Makes noise, you can feel it rumble, it's got soul, that's what we're saying. We're here on the Gintani stand, inimitable sound of exhaust coming out of Gintani for the Lamborghinis. We've seen a few of those in the UK already, but they're literally filtrating the world right now. Oh my word, check out the Lamborghini over here. Liberty Walk, Huracan airlift performance. Jeez, is literally lying on the ground. The finish, the wheels, the paint, unreal. Here on the Holly stand we find the phenomenal 1965 Buick Riviera reimagined, clamshell headlights looking absolutely phenomenal, and those lines, that motor, the way this is finished, it's a brand new car, unbelievable. So here we are walking through Sema. The team is assembling from the UK, representing, and everything we're seeing. First thing, the show doesn't open for a couple of hours, but we are here and it's unreal already. Loving it? Yeah. There's a bin there. Short, sharp, sweet. This is day one done of Sema. Scoot's probably only been able to show you about 2% of everything that's going on. We haven't even been outside yet. We've got 3 more days to go. This is it, the preview of Sema. If you haven't ever been, you need to get here. Start booking up now. 2023. Petrolheadonism is going to be here in a big way. Thank you.